This week, story be popping up of a brand sebia, he go rent somebody in house. And or yeah, if you or a club. Another sebi two that mama Canada. But or I baby a man for you when you want to be BRB where you BRB or home. Na videos be and actually if you're running no too happy. If you're an vest papa and a cheddar ba, it what by action. Na PKB was full story no. Na mama watch him na mivia zamu wakana madrin chana mo so mezaba.
I don't want peace. I want problem. Always.
You get it. If you don't get it, forget it. If you don't get it.
Yeah, how can you tell me this story?
All the lie. You said all the lie.
Ebusuafo from DJ Pacorich ahanum ye Pacorich Studios. Minyina hwemenwo mukakra. PKB na zanezo ye see true.
Yeah.
Ebusuafo infera inkanifera for the one some summon a tenant that was summon. You want to ni na obi anyi suban. But nyama nkote na mo ha menye
PKB original.
Papa.
Yeah man, original. One.
Na early this week, story be popping up of a brand sebia, he go rent somebody in house. And or yeah, if you or a club. Another sebi two that mama Canada. But or I baby a man for you when you want to be BRB where you BRB or home. Na videos be and actually if you're running no too happy. If you're an vest papa and a cheddar ba, it what by action. Na PKB was full story no. Na mama watch him na mivia zamu wakana madrin chana mo so mezaba. And so guys, stay tuned. This is Plus 233 show. Or Pacorich Studios. Zorikodo or Ghana na yeze bro we. P.
Orikodo.
What really happened?
Orikodo am asem na kokot. Asem na kokot. This asem na say into one guy na waka rental facility or a property from the property owners.
It took to PG fro na comfortable.
Yeah, of course. So as he rents the property, we Charlie, your man did the property inside that way. If you say, Charlie, this property there, be like, I go fit make money, I go fit take cash out too. We go see in 5 years, your man turn the property into a nightclub. Yeah, nightclub where people they shake nyash, they do things, they drink. Yo, bro. No be joke. He converted the whole property into a nightclub and he was running it. No knowing your man no pay or in rent say finish you. You no pay the owe. So the property owners they are with them say Charlie, this guy the owe you. Make we go check the property server and see how far things they go. Then hopefully ask him when he go do payment. Yo, property owners go reach them a facility. They go see say hey.
Yeah, they approach Ghana.
When they Ghana, Charlie, your man tell the whole place into something else, and you don't even tell them about it too. Oh, so them shock, and then no, them shock. Out of shock, they were like, yo, bro, what's up? Like, really, this be what they go on for here? Because your man add different structures to whatever existed already, repainted, planted flowers and trees and things, made the place come up. So the people vex. Already you the OE. Now we can't say you turn the property into something else. So they carry the matter go court. As they take the thing go court, we now it be like Charlie, the boy now so shit. Because how the thing reach there, be like he will come out the place and all the investment he do shit. So into as they go court, now court say if that be the case, since he do already, make you come out in things we bring for the property top. So now whether it be movable or it not be movable, the young man has to take everything out of the property. Where your man go carry bulldozer, be the six or screen top no. Your man go carry bulldozer come the property top where they can break everything that is breakable. The ones where you know be breakable where they go fit dismantle to if for dismantle until they take go. There way the property owners say they mess up because in the first place as the boyfriend of the property owner post the thing on socials, that be how can the thing go viral. Already then spoil your man incredibility there. So he vex he did it. No matter how wrong it is, even though he didn't tell them, say this and this and that. If Vex say, why say people for carry the thing go social media? And now Court has given me the go ahead to take my properties out. So the best way for him to take his property out is to bring the bulldozer. Where your man bring bulldozer, they scatter the place and things. We now, the property owners say, hey, Charlie, if we joke, we will lose everything still for here. Because this bulldozer thing there, I'm sure I need to come. We now then come back to the senses with it say no, Charlie. Therefore, apologize to the guy, then reach better amicable settlement with the guy because already the damage has already been done. So that be how come as they break down, they go on. They come in, can apologize to the guy. They tell him say, look, you know what? Let's come to a better agreement and let's see how we can go about this because the damage has already been caused. That be how come it be like the bulldozer bulldoze everything. But he left some for them.
I see. Hey, that's something I care there.
Yeah.
Papa babu full screen there. Cause something I care there. Papa yeshia, but so yeshi. Papa yeshia, but so yeshi. Da if you rather so that some says or care Papa ya saba be yakadaboko. I feel there. On both sides, you know, be a mistake. In the first place, na brand said anyaze, the bejo bini fie na de zebeye residence na za club. No, wanyaze them. Atasa. But me feel there if you run so there botra obi another zoro kodo muntem that to social media no or your club anko funim. Ma erets we dwuma no do erugwe dwuma na nyima ase and so at the end of the day no bo lose customers na azimpo into I feel there nka no one here that we watch videos na as whether to social media but akaba na da me na court so say brother those BBA wonye azibi oyenezen sisi a wori yi na ehu da woda na obeka class 1 pe wo bubu JSS 3 na JSS 2 ni na. So sometimes, even though we might own properties and have properties, but sometimes people can help our properties become bigger and greater. Because papa, as an commercials are, you know, and she say then you know they like that. We for renegotiate, and then we now someone say peacefully, and it ends there. But as it stands now, we. Since I am money, I say be that down. And to fix it back, that will be another money. Because I think you'll be yo to the extent there. I don't in this car or a car bulldozer. In my way, bubuna, then you should know there as an iron because he is paying a price to destroy something. You should know that the person is extremely bitter. But then, as some of the wabens, Moya Ghana from once if you know one kind of boko. And I'm sure you can settle on something. And I pick no be so.
No.
All right. Guys, we will not take much of your time. This is really what is happening. Share this video, comment and also share wadren.
Subscribe.
Share Facebook, TikTok, or YouTube. Now just click and share. Put it on your status. Other people also enjoy. Well, from a parkour to the rich, we are out of here.
Peace. Yeah, happen.
I don't want peace. I don't want peace. I want problem. I want problem. Always.
You get it? You get it? If you don't get it, forget it. If you don't get it.
Yes, yeah. How can you tell me this story?
All the lie. All the lie. All the lie. You said all the lie.